Welcome to Something You Should Try. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gadget fan, trendsetter, or crave the experience of what's next, you've come to the right place.
This is the Kitschy Pizza Cutter, and what's really cool about it is the blade is sort of protected here. So you can see that. I'm going to actually cut this pizza with it so you'll see how it works. And you can open it up. So you open this thing up and you take it all apart to clean it. It's not like a razor blade, so it's not, hopefully I don't cut myself here. So you just do that, you throw it in a dishwasher, whatever. It's really easy. So you put this, let's see, I'll put it back together. We've got this all together here. You slide this open, you hold it like this. I worked in pizzerias for years. I worked in multiple pizzerias, so I will say that this design is much better than having the long stick type or even the big cleaver type. So you just press down. This is breakfast pizza. First bit that gets a little tricky, but it just slices through, and then again you just open it back up and you throw it in the dishwasher or throw it in the sink and you're good to go. So I think overall it's awesome.
The Zulay Garlic Press. So easy to squeeze. It crushes garlic in seconds. Quick results with minimal effort on your hands. Constructed from high-quality food-grade materials. Has a sturdy ergonomic handle. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.
Introducing the Keurig K-Classic Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker, a versatile and convenient way to enjoy your favorite beverages. With a large 48 ounces removable water reservoir, you can brew multiple cups before needing a refill. Choose from 3 brew sizes, 6, 8, or 10 ounces, to suit your preference, and enjoy the simplicity of the button controls. Using the Keurig K-Classic is effortless. Simply insert a K-Cup pod, select your desired brew size, and within a minute, you'll have a freshly brewed cup of coffee or your favorite beverage. The Keurig K-Classic is designed with your convenience in mind. The auto-off feature automatically turns off the brewer after 2 hours of inactivity, saving energy. Additionally, it's compatible with the Keurig Classic Series My K-Cup reusable coffee filter, allowing you to brew your own ground coffee. Experience the ease and versatility of the Keurig K-Classic Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker with its large water reservoir, multiple brew sizes, and energy-saving auto-off function.
For more information on these products, click the link in the description box and remember to subscribe.